Hey guys, hi. So it's the third Benin makeup fair and I'm currently on my way. Okay, so we're heading to Jasmine Garden right now and I'll see you guys when I get there. Hey guys, so this is a finished look. I hope you guys like it. Give it a thumbs up if you do. Leave me a comment below. Yeah. So after the makeup, I pretty much went around to look for things I really need to buy from Zara Cosmetics and some other brands. So this is me and my model doing some cute Snapchat videos, and this is Shari's Glow. She came all the way to support me. Such an amazing friend. Makeup fair. I did my makeup. Yo, some of you so much. I'm so excited. Thank you guys so much.
Alright.
Success. Thank you for coming, baby. Love you, love you, love you.
Love you too.
Hi guys, welcome back to this segment. I did say I was going to share some of the things I got at the makeup fair. It was my experience first of all at the makeup fair. This isn't my first time attending the makeup fair. If you don't know what makeup fairs are, it's like a I think there's a group of people or a company, they call them the makeup fair on Instagram. So they organize this series of fair for makeup cosmetic brands, to come to, like, they it's like done all over the states, like states in Nigeria, like in different months in the year. And yeah, different brands come and display their products, and people just come and shop. I mean, it's just a great experience to actually see the people behind your favorite brand. And a lot of people came out during this third Benin makeup fair, and it was amazing. And it was my first time doing a live demo at a makeup fair or ever anywhere, and I was excited, and I'm really grateful to Lulus maquillage for having me on board. It was such an amazing amazing experience. I met a lot of people, I connected, and it was great. So on this segment I would be sharing with you guys some of the products I got from Lulus maquillage, Zaron cosmetics, and Miss Metics. These names I'm mentioning, these are Nigerian brands, and Nigerian brands are stepping up when it comes to makeup right now. Like, they have a wide array of products, like, and they're all amazing. So without talking too much, let's just start. So I got this huge bag from Lulus maquillage, so you can follow them on Instagram. I'm just going to, I already opened it, but I just want to show you guys this cute bag. I got lashes. Let's talk about these lashes. These are their Siberian 3-in-1 lashes. These are what it looks like. It's so beautiful. And I also have a link to the website where you can shop their product, and I'll leave it in the description box for you guys. These are the foundations that I got. You guys, they are a lot, like 5 of these are the foundations I got. This is the one I used at the fair on Sunday, and I love the consistency. I was telling my friends on WhatsApp yesterday that the consistency is not so thick, but it covers a lot. Like, it's medium to full coverage. I love that it's not so thick, but then it gives you a good amount of coverage. Yeah, that's what I'm trying to explain. And this is their Radiant Matte Foundation. It has a broad spectrum of 20 and FPS 20, a large spectrum. Is for face and body foundation. So yeah, I keep using it. But as of this one is another one, but same brand from Lulus maquillage. This is it's oil free, it's soft matte, it's a liquid foundation, medium to full coverage. I like that it comes with a pump as well. This is bottle, and this one comes with a pump as well, but this is like plastic, so it's not as heavy as this. So I haven't used this one yet, but as soon as I do, I would update you guys about it again. Now, the link to shop any of these are on my description box, so you guys please check that out. Alright, so I also got some lip glosses from Lulus as well. These are the lip glosses. They are so beautiful. I cannot wait to try them. Of course, I'm going to do a video using all Lulus maquillage products and see what you guys think about it. But these lip glosses are gorgeous, guys. Look, got a beauty blender. These beauty blender are so affordable, and surprisingly they are soft, they are latex free. I love them. I used this one at the fair. It didn't pick up. You know how you use some beauty blender and you're using them to blend out foundation or concealer, and you realize that they are leaving patches on the skin? This will not do that, and the fact that it's so affordable is insane. It's less than 1,000 naira, guys. So use the link in my bio to shop. Alright, and there's free shipping right now. So if you're in Benin, anywhere you are in Nigeria, Lulus maquillage is having free shipping, so you can buy anything and then they'll send it to you for free, and the delivery is quite fast, which is amazing. Alright, I also got their mascara. One thing I would like to say though, if you're using this mascara, you have to wait a little while for it to dry. Like, if you apply it on your lashes, don't look up immediately. It might stain your eyeshadow. I noticed that at the fair yesterday. So yeah, I also got one brow pencil. Yes, they have almost everything for you guys. I haven't tried this yet, but when I do, I'll let you guys know. This is exactly what I want to talk to you guys about. This is their liquid liners. They have like different colors of liquid liners. Surprisingly, I swatched this on my hand yesterday and it hasn't come off yet. Guy, I don't know if you guys can see that. Do you see that red? Is it red now? Rose color. It's like pink. I swatched this exactly this time yesterday, and I've washed my hands several times and it still hasn't come off. That's to tell you how good these liquid liners are. I'm going to open them up for you guys again to see. Yeah, pretty, so pretty, you guys. That's everything for Lulus maquillage. Thank you guys so much. Alright, so I'm going to start unboxing Zara Cosmetics. These are the things I really wanted to buy, and so I got them. The first things first, this is for me, this is not for my client. This is the Zaron Skin Regenerating Hydrating Serum. Y'all know I talk about this thing every day. Like everybody who knows me now, sorry about that one. Everybody who knows me now know that I love my Skin Regenerating Hydrating Serum. This is my second bottle. You guys, look at that. Honestly, my face hasn't looked this good in a very long time. I got this one in December, and as you can see, I'm out already. There's nothing in this bottle anymore. I had to get another one, and I'm also a Zara Cosmetics beauty consultant, so you can actually shop Zara Cosmetic products from me. I'll also leave my link in the description box, and I get a small commission when you shop through my link. So yeah, just want to leave that out there. Love this product. It doesn't make me sweat. It's just amazing, and it leaves my skin super soft and hydrated. And yeah, you can totally use this under your makeup. You can use it as a normal moisturizer both morning and night when you're going out and when you're about to go to bed. I mean, that's what I do. So yeah, really great product. So I'm just going to set this aside. I got their new 4-in-1 wing mascara. It comes in like two sides. Like there's one for your upper lashes, that's what it looks like right there, and there's another side for your bottom lashes. Love it. It's so tiny, fam. This can literally like get every lash underneath. And the biggest one are the lipsticks. I've always wanted to get these lipsticks. I mean, I have some before, but they were out. Like I finished using them, I had to restock again, especially these these. So these are their matte lipsticks. This one is called Shady number 10. It's a beautiful brown lipstick. I'm with Blondie. Blondie is like a nude, very bright nude lipstick. I absolutely love it. I had to get it. Tease is another one that I love. This is like one of my favorite matte lipsticks for women of color. It comes out so beautiful, especially when I pair it with my lip pencil from Zara Cosmetics called Cappuccino. When I pair Cappuccino with this, oh my god, it's just so beautiful. I mean, crazy. Love it. I also got this beautiful orange lipstick. It's called Burnt number 11. I don't think I have any orange lipsticks in my collection, so I decided to add this to, yeah, this is everything, you guys. And the last but not the least is this set of lashes from Miss Metis. I love Miss Metis lashes. This is all the product I got. Now the big one. Are you guys ready? Drum roll. Right, so I've always wanted to get a makeup chair for myself. I love it. I love this one I got. It's not, I really wanted a chair that's not so heavy because I work alone most of the time and I have to carry the chair, carry my makeup bag and everything. So I didn't want anything that would stress me too much. So I got this one. It's kind of like plastic, but a very strong one at that. The quality is really strong and the seat is quite firm, and there are a lot of screws and nuts here. Hopefully I don't get anybody that will break it. I just hope it doesn't break for real. And this right here, you can, you know, sit down and put your foot here. It's just so beautiful. I love it. Love it. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section. I got this for 40,000 Nigerian naira. So yeah. Alright guys, so this will be the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed the unboxing. I hope you like any of the product I was sharing and showing you guys. Yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe down below. Welcome to the family, and yeah, see you guys on my next one. Bye. Mwah.